Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This Thai red curry chicken recipe is one of my favorite Thai recipes. It's so flavorful, so fragrant, and yet so easy to make. This meal is actually one of the most popular curry meals around the world. Let's begin with 1 pound of chicken thigh. Make sure you cut into bite pieces. In a medium-high heat temperature, let's add 1 cup of coconut milk. To start with, let it bubble so that the oil starts to separate. Meanwhile, let's prepare Thai eggplants. These Thai eggplants are essential ingredients in Thai curry dishes such as green and red curry. They are often cut into half or quartered, but can also be used whole and cooked in the curry sauce where they become softer and absorb the flavor of the sauce. Next, let's prepare Thai basil. Thai basil has a distinct flavor that can completely transform the character of a dish. Once the coconut milk has separated and thickened, let's add 3 tablespoons of curry paste. This red curry paste is a versatile and flavorful base for a variety of Thai dishes. In its most basic form, it consists of red chili peppers, garlic, sea salt, lemongrass, turmeric, and shrimp paste. And after the coconut milk and the Thai red curry paste mix, let's add the prepared chicken thigh. Add a pinch of salt. Spread chicken out, bring to simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes until the chicken is cooked and the sauce is almost at the thickness you want. Then add the remaining coconut milk, followed by 1 cup of chicken broth. As we all know, curry is universal in Southeast Asia. It's generally agreed that curry was first made by Indians, using ginger, turmeric, and garlic. The word curry is an anglicized version of the Tamil word curry. As settlers and traders came to India from as far as Japan, China, Portugal, and France, they disseminated recipes for curry throughout Southeast Asia, including Thailand. Oops, let's go back to our cooking. I added the Thai green eggplants, Shiitake mushrooms, bamboo shoots, lemongrass, Kaffir leaves. Kaffir lime leaves are also an essential part of Thai cuisine. The leaves have a strong aroma. And lastly, add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then, simmer for about 5 minutes. Bring it to boil for another 4 minutes. Then add the Thai basil leaves. I told you, it's too easy, and you know you can always make substitutions to your liking. But whatever substitution you make, the sauce here is to die for. I love Thai red curry for the flavor, the creamy sauce, and how can one not love the color? Thai red curry, like most Asian curries, has a great depth of flavor. The sauce flavor is complex. It has many layers from all the ingredients in the paste that is then simmered with broth and coconut milk. That is cooking simply delicious! Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!